Ever since we arrived to the lush jungles of San Luis Potosi, we've been greeted by the most beautiful rivers, waterfalls, and landscapes, chasing every little hidden gem that lurks around each corner. It's inspired us to push deeper and deeper into the unknown. But one question I get asked often is, do you ever plan on leaving Mexico? And this poses another question. Is it better to truly know one place well, or to have traveled to many places and not know them at all? For me, I decided a long time ago that my destiny would be to truly discover the real Mexico. Last episode, Megg and I were in Rio Verde. We made the decision to backtrack to one of our favorite campgrounds in Tamasopo and spend a day exploring Puente de Dios, called God's Bridge in English. After that, we would continue north to visit the last of the waterfalls on our list in the Huasteca region.
En Poza Azul. Nacimiento stands for birthplace. That's over there. You see that dark area over there?
Yeah.
That is the main spring of this river.
Okay.
If you walk 1 kilometer that way, you will find the origins. So
Okay.
nothing else feeds it.
Wow.
Chorritos is basically several springs that you can actually hear. It's right there, that area. And they scroll down to the river. That's why I call it Chorritos. Huh? This is the main thing. Many people think this is in Puente Dios, but no. There's literally a bridge from here to over here that crosses you.
Okay.
That mountain. And Puente Dios stands for that.
Right.
God's bridge.
Yeah.
Many people come here and think, yeah, so as you can see, the water is coming this way. Now we're going again. Right? But it's only for the entrance. Alright, so once you are here in this rock, use it as a step or as a ladder, and then careful with the head. And inside you go. Okay, go. Always be careful. There you go. Perfect. And good. All right. So look backwards over there. You can't see nothing, right? Nope. But now look. Oh my goodness. A tunnel. The difference between a cave is that a cave is like that. You can always go in and out through the same hole. We are in a gruta. I think it's a grout, right? Which you go in and out another place. Look. Rock number 1, don't get hit, okay?
Puente de Dios was a special experience for us. Our guide was a local, but had lived in California for over 15 years and spoke excellent English. He safely guided us through grouts, caves, squeezes, and a waterfall jump. It made for one crazy day.
Start running. 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go. Woo! Yeah. Puente de Dios. Picture in 3, 2, and good.
So of course, we kept the good vibes going and ate some delicious Mexican comida on our way back to the bus.
That's pretty nice.
Megg got the chile relleno, which is one of her favorite Mexican dishes, and I got carne asado, which is basically pork with adobada sauce. We finished off our night relaxing outside by our little river for the last time with some wine and a game of skip-bo. The next morning, we set course for Ciudad Valles, a small city less than 2 hours east of Tamasopo, and would serve as a beneficial checkpoint to refill propane, stock up on water, get some groceries, and replace the bearings on my bike. We spent 2 nights boondocked at this park in the center of the city, as Ciudad Valles really doesn't have any camping options for overlanders. It was quiet and peaceful, and no one bothered us.
Okay, it's moving day. Today we're going to Micos Falls. We spent 2 nights street parking at this really nice park in Ciudad Valles. And I got my bike washed. Look how clean it's looking. My bike washed and I got new wheel bearings installed, so hopefully that squeaking noise goes away. It's only 30 minutes to Micos Falls and we'll spend a night or two there, who knows. But yeah, we're making our trek slowly north now. Alright, this is good.
From Ciudad Valles, it was off the main highways and onto the more remote secondary roads as we made our slow but steady push into sugarcane country towards Micos Falls.
About 700 meters away from the entrance to the parking lot for Cascadas de Micos, where we were told we can spend the night there.
Emerald-colored water and nestled in the mountains, surrounded by lush green trees and shrubs. This is Micos Falls, a vast river network stretching several kilometers with multiple waterfalls that you can continuously jump off and float your way back to the main parking lot, which is exactly what we did.
Some scissors so I can cut this off.
Yeah.
And never mind.
A bit of wood in there that this was like screwed into, and it's all, you can see it all degraded, and now the guard's not working. Zip ties to the rescue.
So really cool, this parking lot. They let us camp here for free. I mean, no one's come by in 3 days to charge us or say anything. So we're just gonna ride on out of here. As you can see, this is an absolutely beautiful area. I mean, just look at the scenery, wow. We're parked just down there. Trying to see the parking lot.
If you want to support my channel and see more of our adventures, click subscribe and catch a new video every week. Until the next one, have a great day.